Hey everybody, what's going on? All right, so we got in the last video our website transferred over, the main homepage anyway, transferred over to system.io from Podia. Now that that's done, we got the bulk of the work that we really wanted done for a simple site like this is done. Now that Podia is closing down their free plan, we're making the switch. We got just a handful of other housekeeping things that we want to do over on Podia. Again, I think it's supposed to be done today, but I'm still got access to it, so that's great. But just a handful of housekeeping kind of tasks that we want to do, and then we can kind of wash our hands with Podia since the free version's gone. Okay, so let's jump over to Podia and we'll walk through just kind of a quick walkthrough of what we want to cover as far as wrapping things up. All right. So very first thing I would do is we did get the home page, but I would still go over to the site and I would do an edit site. And then what I would do is go into each of your pages. Now, it used to be that in some instances you can go into the page, right click on it and do a save as, and sometimes you'll get like the page will be there. You'll have everything that you need. It's a little bit sloppy what I found here on this. If I go into one of my pages and then I do a right click and I do a right in here. Whoop, it's not letting me see it. Let me do this. No, I don't want to edit it. I got to publish it and then I got to click on view site. And then once we're in view site, you can do a right click and then do a save as, and then this is going to save it as a page. Now, sometimes it'll come out and the formatting will all be there and it'll look great. In this case, it's really not that good. And as you can see, I've got some pages already opened here. They're in my downloads folder. I'm going to exit out of that. I'm going to show you what happened when I downloaded stuff. We'll go up to downloads and then we'll go over here and just click on one of these pages. We'll click on this one and notice it's not very pretty. All right, so you're not going to be able to get a really clean page kind of saved this way, but at least you will have all of your content this way so that you can transfer it over to your new site, whether it's on system.io or whether it's on, I'm trying to think, you're doing it on WordPress, or maybe you're setting it up on Go High Level or some kind of version of Go High Level. Excuse me. So that's what I would do though, just so you could have it. Go into each page. If it doesn't have the option to view site, then you need to click on publish and then view site. Here we'll go into another one real quick and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I think this is another one. See how it's not giving me the option to view site. So if I click into it and then if again, it's just saying saved. If I click on publish, then I can click on view site, and then once again I can do a right click, save as, and just save it as an HTML file to your local drive, and then it's there. It's locally. It's not going to go away as long as you have your local drive files. So that's what I would do as far as all of the different pages that you might have for your site. Again, not super what's the word I'm looking for, convenient in that there's not just a button you can click on and say export everything. You have to go in and do each one of these step by step. And it does take some time, but that's just kind of the name of the game here when you're migrating a site. There are tools out there that you can use to migrate sites. When I've played around with them, they've been kind of clunky, a lot more technical. And again, I think with something like Podia, they might not work really well since you got to be able to somehow get into the Podia's backend. And it could also be something where it's going to do the same thing that we just did, where it saves the page and the formatting is just not there. So, you do the best you can with this type of stuff. All right. So I'm going to click on done. That'll take me back to my main dashboard. And then what I would do is go into your audience, go into everyone. When you're there, click on the box at the very top to get everybody. And then on actions, use the drop down for actions and do an export, and then export all your contacts. Okay, and that way you'll have them in a CSV file or an Excel file that you can then go and import into your contacts on system.io. All right. Next thing I would do is I would go into your emails and just take a peek and see, hey, what kind of emails have I sent out? Are there any here that I've really liked? If you don't have these saved in like a Google Drive, that's what I did. Just go into each one and grab them. Here you can do a preview of each one, and then you can literally just go in here and copy, paste it into a Google Doc, save it. I also did this. I copied each image here. I really like these images. I mean, I figure I already did the work, right? Granted, they're already in my Canva, but you can just do save image as, or you could copy image and then paste it into the Google Doc. All right. And I would do that for each one of these. Then what I would do is go into your campaigns and do the same thing. Check out the campaign. This one's here is paused. You can't edit a campaign and get into it to copy stuff when it's active. You have to pause it. That's why this is paused right now. But then you can go in and edit it. Once in there, you can see each of these emails, and then you can do a preview once again. And then you get once again, you can go in here and grab it, copy it, pop it into a Google Doc, save it, and then you've got your emails. All right. Community, not much you're going to be able to do with the community. I don't think that they have an export feature for a community. And quite honestly, I don't even think that there's an import feature on system.io. So anything that you've got going on there in your community, it's just you're closing it down. You're starting a new community. You let your folks know if you're using a community on system.io, you just let them know, hey, we're starting a new community, and here's what's going on. Products, you could go into your products, grab any details of the products, maybe go in and go and view the product or view the sales page. I would probably do, you could view the product and get some of the information. It's not really a whole lot in there on this one. But what I like to do also is view the sales page, and then you could do the same thing. You could do a save as and save that as an HTML, and then you've got that as well. Blog, again, I don't think I don't think that Podia is going to have an export feature for a blog either. I don't even have a blog on this. I set up my blog on this site manually before they had the blog function. So I'm not using Podia's blog function here. That being said, I don't think there's a way to export it, even if I did have it set up. Again, I don't think that system.io has an ability to import blog posts. So it's going to be, again, a manual thing. And that's pretty much it. Just go through each of your little drop downs here, double check stuff, see what you need to kind of download or back up to your computer. Again, what I like to do is just copy stuff to a Google Drive, pop it into a Google Doc. All right. And once you've kind of gone through each one of those, again, it's a little tedious process here to kind of make sure you've got everything. But one good thing is once you've got this all exported and downloaded to either a Google Drive or you've got it on your local drive saved on your computer, it's there. And then when you go and set it up on system, you got to set up on system, but you still have it. Now that you've gone through this whole process, you've still got those saved files if for any reason you needed to go and, I don't know, maybe system's going to change their forever free plan. They say forever free, but who knows? Maybe system.io changes their forever free and you have to go do this process again. I hope not. I'm feeling pretty confident that system.io is not going to do that. They've got a pretty good system in place to keep their business growing, that they can keep offering that free forever plan. So that being said, I think we're set here. Once you've done all this, you'll be able to just say, hey, I'm done with Podia, rub your hands and be done with it. All right. So thanks for watching. If you're digging these videos and you want to watch more system.io videos, we have a whole playlist. Go check it out. Have an awesome day.